So check it out. A few years ago I bought my first WM Crooks set. This is before I really knew a whole lot about repairing Marx. So the smoke unit didn't work in it. So I asked a friend of mine, and he sent me this shell, and it's in really nice shape. The lettering's good on it, and the smoke unit didn't work in this one as well. So I thought I'll just leave it, and I was just glad to have one. But anyway, last night I decided, hey, I'm going to finally get around to fixing that. I really didn't want to grind the rivet off because I was trying to keep it original, but I just ground it off enough so I could get the smoke unit out. The smoke unit sits up here and it's riveted in there. It's also the front mount for the motor. And I looked at it and it didn't look like the element was broken, so I just kind of wiggled the wire and the element in there, and lo and behold, I put some power to it and it started smoking. So I'm glad I didn't have to change out the element and take the smoke unit completely apart. So I put it back in. You can check it out. I got the Polar Express cars behind it and the Polar Express tender. So we'll see how it smokes. Here we go. There it goes. This smoke's really good. I love the looks of the WM Crooks. Marx really did a good job with it. The shells are a little fragile, so I was very careful about grinding that rivet out, but no harm done. I was able to leave enough rivet to get enough bite to hold the thing in there, obviously, so I'm glad of that. Oh yeah, it's a good smoker. Marx really made some great smoke units, so if I can leave an original element in, I'm going to. All right, smoking great after all those years. The only thing I can figure out is just a little corrosion on the element where it's grounded to the frame of the smoke unit, and I must have twisted enough just to get some good connection, because it's sure smoking good now. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.